Fields are about as dry as they're gonna get. Time to plow. Well, I got the tractors running and I got the plows hooked up. Let's see what we got here. We got the Farmall 756 with the fast hitch 311 plow. That is one bottom too few for this size tractor. I'm okay with that. We got the 1940 Farmall M hooked up to the Little Genius number 8 216. I know a guy tried to tell me, oh no, it's a 214. Funny how you can tell on a video, but I can measure it and it's 16 inches. But this is the Little Genius. This is also one bottom too few for this tractor. This tractor's muscled up a little bit. It has loaded 15.5 38 tires, and boy could it pull a 3 bottom, and I will have a 3 bottom for this next year, hands down. And then I'll go buy an H, and the H will pull this. That's how it'll go. Yeah, we're ready to go. And let me get over there to the field and show you what I plan on doing and why. Oh, and you can tell I'm sitting on the 756. The votes were about split. The M might have had it by a little bit. But the thing is this going to be a teamwork plow job? I have an easier time plowing a whole field than about an acre of land. It's going to be like an artistically plowed acre here. But what I'm going to do is I want to turn these edges inward. And with the 7, I can do it with a 3 bottom and turn more pancakes this way than I can with the M and a 2 bottom. So let's start off with the 756, get the edges turned in. And I'm going to bring the Farmall M over with the Little Genius and finish her off. Oh, it's plowing pretty easy. I can tell you one thing, as wet as this soil is right here, I don't know if I'd want 3 bottoms. I mean, yeah, it's pulling the 2 bottoms easy, and yes, I think I could pull 3, but I am plowing in 4th gear. That probably would change if I had another bottom or 2 on this, but pulling really easy in 4th. I'm liking it, but I haven't got to the wettest part, and that's about right in there. So, pretty happy so far. I can tell you, it's a lot harder, you know, looking out here, but it's a lot harder for me to plow an acre than it is to plow 20. 20, you just dig in and go, you know. Here you gotta turn around and you gotta get the plow set just right. And it's, of course, it's a pull type, obviously. You all saw that, but I don't know, it's still a lot of fun, man. A lot of fun here in August. Today is August 10th, 2019. And we're on the Farmall M 1940. Boom! Yeah, I dropped her down into 3. Actually, no, that's 1st gear. I meant to drop her tree, but went first. Yeah, I'm having fun right here, buddy. Woo! Oh, this is going to be the final pass here. Made it through the wet stuff pretty good. It was pulling really heavy, muddy. I got a dinosaur egg that I dug up that I will come out and pick up. For the most part, this looks good, free of stones. I mean, over the years, this has been stoned so many times, it's just absurd. But this is the last pass. I made it through the worst stuff, which was over in here, and it was soupy sales. But now that it's turned, it can dry out. And I'll probably give it a day or two, as long as we don't have any rain. I'll look at the forecast, and then I'm going to come in with the M and disc this all up, and then I'll, right over there, 756, I'll hook the Calda mulcher up to it and mulch this, and then throw something in it. I don't know, maybe winter wheat, who knows. Around here we usually throw our winter wheat in about the first week of September and whatnot, so I don't know. I may even throw, like I said before, previous video, sugar beets. Now you can see a lot of grass turned up, but keep in mind a lot of this was, you know, between 3 and 4 feet tall. It was sprayed. I did come in with a backpack sprayer and spray this, so, and that was done about 3 days ago. So it's dead. It's as good as dead laying there. So, you know, if the dirt turned nice, laid down pretty good. I went fast. I was in 4th gear boogieing. I had to throttle down a little bit, but for the most part, I'm pretty satisfied. Like I say, once this dries out, I'll be good to go, man. You won't even know this was ever an issue or a wet spot on the field. Cool little spot, probably just right around an acre. When you go back here and look at this and everything, it's rectangular, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do a mixture, do some sugar beets, some wheat, some turnips, you know, just mix it up a little bit. Maybe mineral mine this, get the minerals that are down deep and bring them up. Now, I want to explain something too, for all of those that are still watching, that have made it this far in the video. This is normally plowed like this. And today's goal was first pass with the 7-3 bottom, come up through, turn this in, and then the rest of it I wanted turned that way. But normally this field is plowed, you know, long ways like this. So I wanted it turned this way, wanted most of this turned this way because usually it is turned that way. So mix and mingle, whatever. But man, I had a hell of a fun time today. Just a whale of a time. And look at them polished mold boards. Woo! A lot of grease fittings on these, you know. I mean, they really did them up right back in the day. Even on the coulters, there's fittings on both sides of those, so that's really nice. Free spinning. I showed you in a previous video how this trail wheel, it was broke and I needed a bushing, but I rigged it up. I got a grade 8 bolt in there, holding it for now. Wintertime project, get this right. I got threaded rod through the top of it. That trail wheel assembly apparatus is a nightmare. It's a project in the making, but it worked okay for today, and that's all that matters. One last pass. Let's hit it. I'm just creeping through right now, being artistic about it. Alright, it's all done. Boy, the M sure made it easy. I had a couple speed bumps, you know, expected speed bumps. When you don't change your inline fuel filter out, you can't ignore the little things or they'll eat you up, but I'm pretty satisfied with this. The old 756 started the day off, and boom, the M got it done. Thanks for viewing. Subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of stuff. I'll see you at the next video. More action to come. Red power, baby.